Birds may be beautiful creatures in the great outdoors, but when they start nesting inside your chimney, they can cause serious problems. From health hazards to fire risks, birds nesting inside your chimney isn't something you should ever leave unattended. In this video, we're going to tell you the easiest ways to keep birds out of your chimney. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Chimneys can serve as cozy, protected shelters for birds. They offer warmth and a high vantage point, making them appealing spots for birds to build nests. However, the consequences of nesting in chimneys can be dangerous for both the birds and the homeowners. One of the biggest concerns is the risk of fire. Nests are typically made of dry twigs, leaves, grass, and other flammable materials. If you light a fire with a nest inside the chimney, you're introducing these dry materials to open flames, which can quickly lead to a dangerous fire. A bird's nest can also create a significant blockage, preventing smoke and carbon monoxide from safely venting out of your home. Lastly, birds can introduce droppings into your chimney and fireplace, which can lead to unpleasant odors, mold growth, and parasites, such as mites or fleas. So what can we do to prevent birds from nesting inside of our chimneys? The first thing you should do is make sure you have a chimney cap. This protective cover fits over the top of the chimney and typically includes a metal screen. The cap prevents birds from entering while allowing smoke and gas to vent properly. It also serves as a barrier against rain, leaves, and other debris, which could otherwise block your chimney. The second item we recommend is a bird deterrent device. Options include bird spikes, which make it uncomfortable for birds to perch near the chimney, and ultrasonic bird repellents, which emit high-frequency sounds that are unpleasant to birds, but inaudible to humans. While these deterrents can be effective, make sure they're used in combination with other preventative measures to keep birds from getting too close to your chimney. The third option we recommend is perhaps the easiest and most effective way to keep birds out of your chimney: an annual sweep and inspection. Regular chimney maintenance is crucial to keeping your chimney free of bird nests and other blockages. A professional chimney sweep can check for signs of nesting, inspect for damage, and remove any unwanted material that may be stuck inside your chimney. By scheduling an annual sweep and inspection, you'll reduce the risk of encountering bird-related issues and ensure your chimney is safe and functional for use. Now that you know the best ways to keep birds out of your chimney, it's time to give Alpha and Omega a call to schedule your annual sweep and inspection. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.